Welcome to English Stories, a new way of English learning, where every story opens the door to deeper understanding, richer vocabulary, and unforgettable emotions. The Price of Gold, the story of Ravia and John. They say love conquers all, but what happens when love faces the weight of gold? Would you choose a beating heart or a bag full of coins? John was a humble carpenter, loving but poor. Ravia was the precious daughter of the town's richest merchant. Their worlds could not have been more different, yet when they met, there was magic. In secret, they dreamed of a small, happy life together, believing love alone would be enough. But secrets do not last forever. Ravia's father discovered their feelings and set a cruel ultimatum. Earn 100 gold coins in a year and you can marry my daughter. To most, this would be impossible. To John, it was worth every sacrifice. He worked through nights that felt endless and days that left his hands raw. Each clinking coin was a hope, a promise to Ravia. But her father was always a step ahead, intercepting letters, burning hope along with the paper. Even so, Ravia's heart waited for John's return. A year passed. John, exhausted but proud, returned with his hard-earned 100 gold coins. He rushed to the mansion, only to be greeted by cold eyes and colder words. "You're too late. Ravia is married to a traitor who brought me 500 gold coins." John's dreams and efforts shattered in a single sentence. Across the yard, he saw Ravia in a golden carriage. For a moment, their eyes met, hers full of tears, his filled with heartbreak. No words could bridge the distance between them. Silently, John walked to the river. Each gold coin slipped from his hand into the water, vanishing like the love he had fought so hard to keep. That night, he learned a painful lesson. In a world ruled by money, true love often pays the greatest price. Thank you for listening to this emotional journey on English Stories, where we turn touching tales into opportunities for English learning and inspiration. If this story moved you or helped you with your English, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing stories every week. Your support helps our community grow and brings more beautiful English stories to learners like you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a story.